Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft 365 privacy and data protection settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Microsoft 365 privacy and data protection settings, begin by signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate the App Launcher icon at the top left corner of the page. Click on the App Launcher to reveal a menu of Microsoft 365 apps. Select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account section, look for the Privacy tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Privacy tab to view your current privacy settings. You will see options for managing your privacy preferences. Review the sections available, such as Privacy Settings and Data Protection. To adjust settings, click on Manage Privacy Settings. Here you can choose how Microsoft uses. Toggle the options based on your preferences for personalized experiences and targeted ads. Next, navigate back to the Privacy tab. Scroll down to find the Data Protection section. Click on Manage Data Protection to access more detailed settings. You can review how your data is stored and shared. Adjust the settings to align with your privacy preferences. Return to the main account page. Consider reviewing other sections, such as security, for additional privacy measures. If you use applications like OneDrive or Teams, ensure their settings align with your overall privacy strategy. Regularly check these settings to maintain your desired level of privacy and control. Your privacy and data protection settings are now updated in Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.